as stories about his kindness, heroic deeds, and love of country spread everywhere. Davy, usually seen in a coonskin cap, was a friend to the Indians, a hunter, a scout, a soldier, and a United States congressman. Here's a verse of the song that reflects the tall tale legend of Davy's life. Davy Crockett.